Once a beacon shining bright, a land of hope, a guiding light, built on faith and sacrifice, a dream where freedom paid the price. But the winds of time began to stray, and shadows fell upon our way. The heart of the land cried out in pain, longing to be whole again. Oh, can you feel it in the air? A spark of hope, a whispered prayer. The time has come, the choice is clear, to rise above, to persevere. We will rise again with hearts ablaze, reclaim the promise of brighter days. With steadfast hands and voices strong, we'll build the future where we belong. Through faith and love, we'll find our way and lead the world with hope to stay. The road we walked was rough and steep, mistakes were made, the scars run deep. But in the darkness, seeds were sown. For every trial, strength is grown. A leader steps to guide the fight, to steer the course, to make things right. United now we take the stand, a mighty wave across the land. Oh, can you see it clear and true? The dawn is breaking, skies turn blue. The time is now, we must believe. Together we will dare to achieve. We will rise again with hearts ablaze, reclaim the promise of brighter days. With steadfast hands and voices strong, we'll build a future where we belong. Through faith and love, we'll find our way and lead the world with hope to stay. Through every storm, through every tear, the dream remains, the vision clear. With faith and love and hearts aligned, we'll heal the wounds, leave none behind. We will rise again, our spirits high, lift our gaze to the endless sky. With love unyielding and truth our guide, we'll stand as one and turn the tide. Through faith and courage, we'll